Okay, today I'm going to show you how to grind the rakers using the Chain Shark. Now the first thing you want to do, shape your wheel to this shape or similar. You can fine tune it as you're going. The maximum wheel diameter when doing rakers is 5 1/4. Okay, so we're going to install our wheel. Center it, put the screw in. All you have to do is snug it up. Alright, we've got that done. So we're going to line up our chain again. Turn this off. Our controls all the way back, depth control. Depress the foot pedal, slowly work the head down to where we see we're going to come in contact with the depth gauge. Alright, we're going to stop now. We're going to start our grinder. Depress the pedal. Okay, we're just making contact with it. We're just touching it. What you want to do is get a depth gauge. See how much you're supposed to be taking off. These I've done before. I know exactly where it's supposed to be. I'm just showing you the procedure. Work your way around the chain. You want to go deeper, adjust the depth accordingly. That's all there is to it.